Hi there guys, and welcome back to another POS tutorial. In this video, we're gonna go over the park or wholesale feature inside Crony POS. This feature is useful when a customer starts a transaction but is not ready to complete it right away. For example, the customer may need to grab another item, check their payment, or come back to the counter in a few minutes. Instead of removing the sale or keeping the register screen busy, the cashier can place the transaction on a hold and continue helping the next customer. To begin, ring the sale like normal, scan the item barcodes, or select the items from the POS menu. Once the items are added, it will appear on the transaction screen with quantity, price, tax, and totals. You can continue adding any other items if needed for the transactions. If the customer is not ready to pay, click Park or Wholesale depending on the button shown on your POS screen. The POS will save the current transaction and clear the active sale screen. This allows the cashier to start a new sale without losing the items from the held sale transaction. After placing the sale on hold, the POS prints a hold receipt. To bring back the sale, the fastest method is to simply scan the barcode on that receipt. The held transaction will open back up, and the cashier can continue completing the sale. Once the held sale opens back on the POS screen, review the items and totals. If the customer wants to add more items, scan or select more items before taking payment. If everything is correct, choose the payment method and complete the transaction like normal. So the simple process is ring the item, click wholesale, keep or give the customer the whole receipt, and when the customer is ready, scan the barcode on the whole receipt to bring back the sale. And that's how you use the Park or Wholesale inside CronySoft POS. This feature is really helpful for cashiers when they need to pause their transactions, continue helping other customers, and quickly bring back the sale by scanning the whole receipt barcode. It's a simple way to keep checkout moving faster during busy store hours. So that's it for the POS wholesale tutorial from my side, and I'll see you guys over in our next video.